Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Sagittarius. Sa mga nagtatanong, all my readings are timeless. Naglalabas po ako ng readings for all signs every week. One for guidance or gabay, and one for love and romantic relationship. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. May. Yung buwan ng May must be an important month for you. Merong mga hindi makakalimutan na nangyari sa buwan ng May, okasyon, celebration, okay? Achievements. Memorable sa inyo ang buwan ng May. Cain, pay attention to your health, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, madami kayong ginagawa, very busy, hardworking people, Sagis. Pay attention to your health. Yung iba sa inyo, baka kailangan nyo nang magpakonsulta, magpa-check, okay? Magpa-check up ng inyong health status, okay? Bigyan ng pansin, listen to your body, okay? Bigyan ng pansin ang inyong mga nararamdaman, fair woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you have important dealings with someone who is a fair woman, fair complexion, okay, with blonde, gray, or white hair. Old woman, okay? May mga concerns or issues about this person. They are important to you. Bull, do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Yes, do not back down sa mga kalaban. Show strength and fortitude. Okay. Protect yourself. Defend yourself, Sagittarius. Okay. Lalo na kung alam mo ikaw ay nasa tama, wala kang inaapakang tao, wala kang ginagawang masama. Magandang inyong attention. Protect yourself, defend yourself. First, pay attention to your finances, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan nyo i-check ang inyong finances, okay? Pay attention. I-monitor ninyo yung mga kaperahan ninyo, yung mga ins and outs ng inyong pera. Okay? May concern kayo about wealth right now. Kailangan nyo pagtuunan ng pansin. Marriage, yes. For some of you, marriage is a concern para sa inyo. Okay? Yung iba ay ikakasal. You're thinking about marriage. You have some issues also and concern about your spouse. Connecting or in relation of finances or kaperahan. In relation with finances, wealth, kaperahan, material things. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Ano yung messages for Sagittarius, please? Mga gabay, mensahe, energies, insights for Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Okay. Napapagod na kayo physically or mentally, Sagittarius, sa inyong ginagawa. You feel na kailangan nyo na rin ng rest or vacation. For some of you, konti na lang, konting pagtitiis. Okay? You will be reaching the finish line. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba stress na. Madaming ginagawa. Okay? Pero patapos na rin. Okay? For some of you. Konting tiis pa. Okay? Yeah. Makukuha mo din ang inyong nais, ang inyong gusto. Okay? Fulfillment. There will be emotional satisfaction for you or fulfillment. Konting pagtitiis, konting tiis pa, maabot mo din ang inyong desire, ang inyong pangarap or pinapangarap. You are guided spiritually, okay? Ginaguide ka patungo sa inyong destiny, okay? You are destined for success, Sagittarius, okay? Yeah, victory. Merong solusyon, merong clarity kayong nakuha, okay? Or natanggap. Okay? It is something na magbibigay ng solusyon or clarity sa inyong situation. It may be sa work to, sa mga projects nyo, special projects, creative projects, okay? You have brilliant ideas. Some truth, okay, na deliver sa inyo, may nakuha kayong impormasyon, okay, na nagbibigay sa inyo ng hope and inspiration at the same time to move forward. Yeah, you feel good about it, okay. Someone is delivering this victory, this information sa inyo na ikakatuwa ninyo, okay. Yes. 10. Okay. There is happiness and pride. Okay. A wish come true para sa inyo, Sagittarius. Konti na lang, you will be receiving it. Okay. Someone will offer you a partnership. Okay. You feel good about this information, about this situation. Okay. Yeah. Success. Kaliwanagan. Okay. Offerings. Okay. You feel good about it. Natutuwa ka. Kinakatuwa ninyo. Okay. For some of you, you will be receiving that news or information na parang dream come true to sa inyo, wish come true to sa inyo. Okay. You feel good about it. Okay. Some news. Okay. Yeah. Yes, you are moving forward. You are moving on in your situation. Okay. Yeah. Ingat din sa mga tao that are making tricks about you when it comes to money. Okay. Or your resources. Yeah, you need to ignore them. Just move forward. Keep on moving forward, Sagittarius. Yeah. Okay. Yes, you need to focus and you have to make some decisions about your situation. Okay? Yeah. May kailangan pa kayong i-work out for some of you. Hard work pa ang kailangan. Okay? Yeah. Merong disappointments. Okay? But you are moving forward. There are ways. Okay, may mga paraan pa, may mga solusyon pa. Do not dwell on something do not dwell on disappointments, okay, or sadness. You need to move forward. There is still hope for you, Sagittarius. Okay. You will have to find balance in your situation. Okay? Be confident. Okay? For some of you, may mga decision kayo na kailangan gawin. There are unexpected opportunities for you. You are looking forward to it. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, binabalance ninyo ang inyong finances. Yes. You are making decision, binabalance mo ang inyong situation when it comes to your finances, sa kaperahan mo, or sa situation, or sa work. You are making a decision about money, okay? Someone needs your skills, okay? Your skills, your abilities. They need you. Yeah? May mga endless or ang daming mga potentials pa na paparating sa inyo. Okay? You are taking a leap of faith. You believe, naniniwala ka sa inyong kakayahan, sa inyong skills. Yeah. Be careful also, okay? Sa mga decision making mo. Yes. Be careful on your decision makings. Just take a calculated risk if you really have to. Sagis, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're not sure kung saan, anong path, kung anong direksyon or patutunguhan ninyo. You're not sure about the result. But you are taking a leap of faith, okay? You need to be wise. Yeah, someone needs your advice and attention, okay? They need your wisdom also. Okay? When it comes to your situation in marriage, if you are married, okay, or if you are in a committed relationship, okay? Yeah, you are seeking advice. For some of you, yes, you need to, yeah, kailangan mong, kailangan mong mag-ingat din sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Meron kang ikukonsulta with someone na mas expert, okay? Na makapagbigay sa inyo ng advice. Yeah. Marriage. Relationship. Okay. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo maging kind. Okay. Be compassionate sa inyong partner, sa inyong person, okay? If you are in a committed relationship, okay? Honor your commitments to ensure happiness, a happy home life, and contentment, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you're thinking about getting married, okay? You're going to take a leap of faith. You're going to make a decision about someone, okay? Yeah. Merong conflicts for some of you. Conflicts in your situation, okay? Whether in commitment or in marriage. You need to be kind and compassionate, okay, and understanding. You need to uphold integrity in your marriage, okay? Yes. Mm. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are taking chances. Okay? May mga kailangan kayong trabahuhin, okay? Bigyan ng pansin about sa work nyo din, okay? Mm. Okay? For some of you, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa because you are not seeing the positive in your situation. Do not lose hope, okay? Yeah, do not dwell kung ano yung nawala sa inyo. Okay? Okay? May mga paraan at solusyon. You just have to, kailan mo lang din, you have to open your heart and mind. Okay? Palawakin ang inyong pag-iisip. Do not dwell sa negative. Okay? Or sa kawalan ng pag-asa. Do not focus on that kasi merong chance, merong pag-asa na maka-recover ka. Okay? Or na maka-move forward. Yeah. Yes, you will be able to overcome kung ano man tong disappointment na meron ka. Okay? There will be celebration and togetherness na mangyayari despite doon sa mga despite of disappointment or sorrows. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kasiyahan and contentment. Okay? Just believe in yourself, believe in the situation, okay? Yeah. You just have to be careful in making a decision. Kailan mo rin ng balance sa buhay mo. Work-life balance, okay? And finances. You need to be wiser. Yes. Be strategic and at the same time sa inyong mga gagawin. Don't be too hard on yourself, Sagis, okay? Everything will be okay. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng resolusyon sa inyong problema, okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, may mga unexpected na pangyayari, okay? May significant na changes na mangyayari in your situation, okay? Ingat sa mga deceitful na tao, okay? Lies and deception, okay? You will be able to overcome it. The situation will suddenly move forward, okay? Fortune is on your side. Kung ano man yung mga hindi magandang nangyari, yung mga hindi fair, kung meron mang deception and dishonesty, mabubulgar, okay? Mare-reveal ito. mabubuwag, then the situation will suddenly move forward. Okay? Magkakaroon ng fairness. You'll be receiving money, okay? And giving money at the same time. Okay? Okay? Mabibigyan ka ng pabor. Yeah. A gift of time and attention, favors, okay, for some of you. Yeah. Debts and loans, mababayaran. For some of you, if you are applying for a loan, it will be granted. Okay? Yeah. Change of direction in life. Okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Good things will come. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong message from the universe. Okay, spirit message for Sagittarius, please. Yeah. Okay. Move forward, okay? Follow your dreams, yung pangarap ninyo, kailangan magtrabaho. Forget, do not dwell on negativities or do not dwell on disappointment, okay? Sagittarius. Ano yung spiritual message for Sagittarius, please? Your life is about to start moving quickly in some areas, yes. Events that seem to have been on hold suddenly propel forward. Move with the flow and be mindful of what needs your attention most. Make decisions rationally and but sensibly, okay? It's parang confirmation to ng inyong reading ng energies. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Sagittarius. From the angel number, anong message sa inyo ng angel through numbers? Oops. If you keep seeing the number 666, this is the message for you. A wake-up call for you to re-examine your current situation and change the direction of your thoughts, so you can raise your vibration to a more positive frequency. I am centered. Okay? Yes, you are centered, Sagittarius. Okay? So, move forward. Do not dwell. Okay? Do not dwell sa current mo na situation. Do not dwell on disappointments. Move forward. Merong wake-up call sa inyo. Okay? To change your direction. So, these are the messages for you, Sagittarius. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!